Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. First off, I want to say a huge thank you to all of you. We have reached 100 subscribers. It means the world to me, and I appreciate each and every one of you. So we have 2.5 months to cover 900 more. So smash that subscribe button. In today's video, we are going to check out an essential feature in Selenium, the JavaScript executor. In simple words, JavaScript executor is an interface used to execute JavaScript code in the context of the browser. Think of it as a bridge that allows WebDriver to interact with HTML elements through JavaScript. JavaScript is a language that interacts with HTML in the browser, and JavaScript executor in Selenium enables us to leverage that power. Sometimes, Selenium WebDriver alone can't perform certain operations or interact with web elements effectively. Imagine you have written an automation script to enter some text and click few buttons, but the Selenium method send keys and click isn't working. But by using JavaScript executor, you can execute a JavaScript code to set text and click those buttons, bypassing those issues. Let's jump into an example and see how JavaScript executor works. In our test website, I have an input field and a couple of checkboxes which we'll be using in this particular demo. In Eclipse, we'll initialize the Chrome driver and navigate to our test website. We'll maximize the window and create an instance of JavaScript executor as well. Let's see how to fill the input field with JavaScript executor. To set value, we have to use execute script with a JavaScript code argument 0.value equal to the value which you want to pass in. So this is a JavaScript code and the dot value represents the attribute of that particular element. And this will set the value to the input element. Next, we'll use execute script to click an element. The checkbox which we have seen in the website. JavaScript code which we have to use is argument 0.click. This simulates the click event on the checkbox. JavaScript is too powerful and it can control every aspect of a website. And it's your requirement how you want to use it with JavaScript executor. We'll see a couple of examples today where you can get the attribute value of an element and fetch the domain name of the current website. Let's run it. It had entered the text and clicked that offline checkbox. On the surface, it might look similar to send keys and click, but when both the native methods of Selenium doesn't work, JavaScript executor will help you a lot. That's it for today's video. As you can see, JavaScript executor is a powerful tool for overcoming certain limitations of Selenium WebDriver. And in our next video, we'll see few other instances where JavaScript executor will be helpful. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.